I have a net worth of over $4.8 million, and I want to share with you exactly what I would do if I had to start all over again from zero and get back to 4 million using the easiest method possible.
Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. This is a reaction video. To this video, I'm going to share with you these tips. Yes, I came across to this video from Sarah. Yes, her name is Sarah, and she shared with us secret to make money online, and she shared all the methodology that she used. If you're interested in this topic, stay tuned up to the end of this video and let me know in your comment, what do you think about this secret or methodology to make money online? Alright, let's get started.
Just a few years ago, I was working a ton of jobs that I hated in order to make money. I was a broke college student. I was feeling so lost, and honestly, my one wish is that someone would have given me the advice that I'm going to share with you in this video.
Yes, Sarah shared how she was ordinary people like me and you. Probably the way you are watching this video, she was even below the way you are like now. So she made it happen, guys, and absolutely I agree with this method because I tried it. Yes, I tried it, and also at the end of this video I'm gonna share with you the result of this method that I was able to gain in 1 year that I have been trying this method. I'm gonna share with you everything, the result. You will see it with your ears. And guys, stay tuned and let's see what Sarah has for us today.
I genuinely believe this advice would have changed my life, and it also has the power to change your life. So it's no surprise that people are making millions of dollars just by posting content on social media. And there's literally 17-year-olds out here making millions of dollars a year, and I know it sounds crazy, but it is possible.
Yes, that's correct. It's only by posting content on social media. As you can see, so many people are out there on social media, and you may think, why everyone is going on social media? Okay, let's listen to Sarah.
So the biggest opportunity right now is simply to post content on social media. It's really not that difficult, and you don't have to show your face if you don't want to. And trust me, this literally is the biggest opportunity in history.
Yes, I absolutely agree with what Sarah said, because you can create content either by showing your face or not. People are even creating content. So much content are on AI right now.
I know this because most of the gurus online who are telling you to start dropshipping or an agency or some other business aren't really doing those things. What they're actually doing is posting content on social media.
Yes, that's correct, because you normally see, let's say, Instagram. So on Instagram, for me, I always see people posting like, okay, join this program, but let me tell you, you might see for them they are just creating content, and you might ask, why can't you go to join this? This is correct, because you don't have to listen what they say, just see what they are doing.
So that obviously tells you that this is actually a big opportunity, and that's what you should be doing. Now let me share the blueprint that I would follow if I was starting from zero with no experience.
Yes, I came across to this video. I was like, okay, this is very, very important. As you know, this channel, we share opportunities with no borders, okay? Let's listen through this process step by step from Sarah, and let me know your comment. What do you think?
Step one is to identify a topic that you're passionate about.
Yes, that's correct. You don't have to wake up in the morning and start posting on Instagram something you don't even like. So you have to choose the topic that interests you. If you are into fitness, if you are into certain topic, guys, you can post anything. As much as you are internet, you know your target and you know what you are looking for, that's it.
Next step is to actually come up with a game plan that's going to allow you to make a lot of money online.
Yes, this is not free money, remember. You start slow and grow. So you can make money maybe today $100, tomorrow $200, it depends.
We're not talking like $100, $200 a month. We're trying to get to like $50,000, $100,000 a month. And obviously you're not going to make $50,000 or $100,000 a month when you first start, but the plan is to eventually get to that point.
Yes, what I like from this method is not like you get rich quick as normally people say on the internet. You grow as you go.
4-step game plan. So first step, ask yourself if you're going to show your face in your content or you're not going to.
Absolutely. Every system has actually the good result. You can show off your face or not show your face and still come up with good results. So it depends what type of content or how free you are on camera.
Step 2, what type of content are you going to create that somehow adds value to the world and also gets you followers and views?
Yes, actually, if you create something which add value to the world, is where people can start following you. So I did that, and I'm gonna share with you. Actually, if you know my Instagram account, you have been seeing me posting so many content. You have to post out there. You have to be on the internet, post something valuable, and see how people will follow you, and you will be amazed how people will start following you.
Step 3, what are you actually going to promote to your followers that can make you a lot of money? And obviously this has to provide some kind of value.
Yes, of course, we are in the business. We want money, okay? So that's why we are here on the internet. So we want money. You have to do your research and see what people post on the internet. You can start from there.
Step 4, how can you scale this and make it a long-term sustainable business?
Exactly. You want to make this sustainable business. That's where you can find something you are interested with. Sometimes you will not get tired to post every single day, something like that.
You don't have to be perfect when you start. I remember when I first started, most of my videos flopped. They weren't good either. A lot of them are now privated, but that's just part of the process. So you're not the only one who has to go through it.
Exactly. You don't have to be perfect. You know, to create your first video, I remember when I started to create a YouTube video, I was not like perfect at all. And some family members started calling me, Define, what are you doing? You can delete your videos. And I was like, no, I'm not gonna delete my videos. This is what I like. And something like that. You don't have to be perfect.
You have someone else who's already created this product. They've done a lot of work on making sure it's a good product. So all you really need to do is just step in and start promoting it.
Yes, this is affiliate marketing, and the good thing is there is so many people who are doing the same. Yes, they are promoting one product that you are into, so try to see what they are creating, imitate them, and see how far you can go.
As an affiliate marketer, what you basically do is promote a brand's product or service with a unique link that you're given. And if someone actually clicks on your link and signs up, you get paid a commission.
Yes, it's all about commission. You can be paid maybe 10%, 20%, even 50% some of the product.
Now, let's say you find an affiliate link that pays $70 per person you refer, and you refer 100 people. There you go, you just made $7,000, and you can see how this can easily scale up.
But remember, we just said it's not about you get rich quick. You cannot make maybe 7,000 a month as you start. No, you just start slow and grow. It depends. You can make $50 in your first week. You can make $100 in your first month. Yes, you can.
The way you can find great affiliate links is by using the website impact.com and Amazon Associates, so I highly recommend you check these out. Now,
yes, apart from observing what other people are posting or promoting, you can check out this other website and see what are the affiliate marketing program out there.
So make sure you show up every single day. My recommendation is you post anywhere from 1 to 3 short videos every single day. I know this sounds like a lot, but it's important when you're first starting out because obviously you want to grow a following as soon as possible, and later on, once you do have a following, you don't have to post 3 times a day. Maybe 1 time a day should be fine.
Exactly, you heard it clearly, because you can't post once a week and expect the result. You had to create so many content a day, like 3 times, 4 times. You can even remix. Actually, what I do, I remix other people's videos on internet, and that work absolutely really good. You might ask yourself, okay, Delphine, how can I get all this content? Remember, there is AI, you can mix other people's video. There is so much content out there. Just get started, okay?
I always believe in quality over quantity, but when you're first starting out, I don't think you should worry about this. Just post as much as you can, and then later on, you'll figure out what to eliminate.
Yes, that's correct, because the algorithm needs you to be there on the internet. Let's take an example on YouTube. You have to post so many content on YouTube or Instagram as well. Yes, you don't have to have a beautiful camera. You can use your phone, and just like that, you get started.
I was able to build a beautiful home that I'm currently filming in. I was able to purchase 3 rental properties, and now I'm able to pretty much just do whatever I want, travel whenever I want. And obviously it's not easy to get to this point. It does take time, but it's 100% worth it.
Okay, friend, there you have it. So this is the method that I wanted to share with you today. I come across to this video from Sarah, guys, and let me know in the comment, what do you think about this method? Is something that you tried and failed? Is something you are going to try? Is something that you are going to recommend with your friends? So Absolutely share with your friend this video and let me know in the comment what you think about it, and to visit me on my Instagram account. You will continue to see me posting every single day, twice a day or 3 times a day, guys. I post video every single day here on YouTube, Instagram as well. As you can see, yes, I'm on the internet and I can't wait to see what the internet brings me in the future. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate your help to support this channel. Let's connect with you in the comment. I see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.